I want to see you dive.
That was good, Harrison.
Off the diving board?
Yeah.
Hey, buddy, that was good.
Mommy!
If she does it off the diving board?
Mommy! Look at this!
Maybe I should put your vest on.
Mommy, look!
Maybe no, I want you to do it. Okay.
Get me. And I get me. Okay, get me.
Don't jump in there.
Okay. Get it. I want get it.
What's your plan?
My goggles.
What's your plan?
Well, I don't know what I'm gonna do yet.
Oh,
I was just warming up my goggles.
warming them up?
Making them all clear.
Just think, pretty soon you're going to be doing flips.
Got something else too. Grandpa.
Yeah?
Take a picture of this too. See? This. You know what thing like a banana?
What?
I don't remember.
Oh, the moon?
Yeah. It looked like the you're in the pool. Right? Ready?
Yeah, more like that.
I'm gonna be looking under the water.
Come right back up.
She touched the bottom.
You touched the bottom.
You did not.
I did it.
You did what?
She touched the bottom.
You touched the bottom?
I can't even touch the bottom.
Did you touch the bottom?
I would try to.
You tried?
Do it again. That is deep.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah. Pretty good, Ladybug.
Wait, I want to show you guys something. Yeah? Watch this. I want diving board.
All right.
No, I can handle it. Here you go.
You diving or jumping?
Diving.
Okay.
Wow, you just make a little splash.
Here's
Watch, watch. Wow, that's too close. She's getting tired.
Doing.
Yeah.
That's because I haven't stretched like that before.
Wow, chickies. How long I usually spend in the day?
I was expecting a dive, H. Dive.
You did it so good, Harrison. Did you get that one?
That kind?
Air dive.